Let's paint with acrylics today. What should we paint? Let's make a quick sketch first. You can turn your canvas up and down or side to side. I'll think of 3 fun ideas. Now grab your pencil and sketch right onto your canvas. Some pencils are super thick, it might smudge when we paint. I'm using an F pencil today. Don't worry if your sketch changes a little, just keep drawing. Now, let's add color. There are all kinds of brushes, big, tiny, and funny shapes. Use a tiny brush to add small, tricky details, like eyes or little flowers. Use a big flat brush to paint big areas. Let the first layer dry, then we can draw a face. If your paint is too watery, that's okay, just dab the water with a towel and remix your paint. Hold your brush straight up for super clean lines. If your brush tip is split, you can use a painting knife instead. Try putting paint right on the canvas and spreading it with the knife. Let's mix some colors. I want a soft yellow-green, so I'm mixing yellow and green. It's not quite right yet. Let's add a bit more yellow. Still not the color I want, but that's okay, experimenting is fun. Tip: mix colors slowly in a clean space on your palette. Oops! Some water dripped onto my painting. Just wipe it quickly with a clean rag. Be careful not to smudge your painting while wiping. Now let's paint the hand and add the sky. Acrylic paint dries fast, but if you add more water, it dries slower. I even used a rag to help make the clouds look soft and dreamy. Almost done, but something's missing. Step back and look from far away. I know, let's add some sparkle. Glitter paint is shiny and fun. It's see-through, so layer it on top of a bright color to make it pop. I painted a flower in deep pink and then added glitter on top. Now let's add some apples, and maybe a roof. You don't have to follow your first sketch exactly, draw whatever makes you happy. Now it's time to clean up. We used a paper palette, so just peel off the top sheet and fold it. After enjoying your palette pattern, toss it in the trash. Wash your brushes really well and dry them off. Don't forget to clean your water bucket too. All done? Snap your palette case shut, and that's it. Thanks for painting with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful adventures.